Today, we dive into the age-old debate, Java versus JavaScript. Let's find out which is the better choice for your next project. Java. Robust, scalable backend solutions. Trusted in enterprise environments. Write once, run anywhere, WORA. JavaScript. Dynamic, interactive user experiences. Browser scripting powerhouse. Core of modern web development. Now, let's look at various factors. Speed Showdown. Java, compiled, offers high performance. JavaScript, interpreted, excels in browser environments. Use cases. Java, backend systems, Android apps. JavaScript, front-end web development, cross-platform mobile apps. Ecosystem, what tools do they bring? Java, Spring, Hibernate. JavaScript, Node.js, React, Angular. Learning curve, beginner-friendly or a challenge? Java, steeper learning curve. JavaScript, more forgiving, ideal for beginners. Community and support, who is your back? Java, strong enterprise support. JavaScript, vast and active web development community. So, which is the better choice? It depends on your project needs. Partner with ValueCoders for expert guidance and implementation. Connect with us at www.valuecoders.com.